Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign, Pisces, your person current feelings and actions for the month of July. So let's see your person current feelings. Pisces, your person current feelings towards you right now. Okay, one card. Okay, let's see your person current feelings towards you. The burden, transforming, intensity. I think your person undergoes some transformation. I think Sagittarius also got these two cards. You have to check this reading also, that reading also. Definitely your person want harmony in this connection. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Intensity with this page of wands. Definitely your person want to communicate you their feelings. Definitely your person undergoes some transformation right now. So they want harmony in this connection, and this could be long distance relationship. So let's see what are the near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. These actions based on your situation right now. Five of Cups, Nine of Cups, lot of water energies here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, could be any sign basically. Queen of Wands. Yes, your person stand by their power right now because they are in this energy after they feeling very sad due to the disputes between both of you, but they are wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment, but now they are undergo some transformation and they stand by their power, and there is lot of passion between both of you. I think they want this connection but not taking any action. I am getting because they are waiting for you take action towards them because they stand by their power now. So definitely your person right now feeling very sad, but later you are their wish fulfillment, but they are waiting for you to take action because now they are stand by their power. So let's see messages for you from universe. Final message, Pisces. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Sagittarius reading also got similar cards. Queen of Pentacles, sorry. The Lovers, your person could be Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and the last card from this deck. The Fool, new beginning. As your person want new beginning with you, definitely, but I think you have to make a move towards them because they stand by their power and definitely they hold their point. Queen of Pentacles, they love you, you love them, there is no doubt, and they want a long-term commitment with you. So when you approach, they also offer this long-term commitment to you. I am getting for some your person come towards you and offer this long-term commitment to you. So the Fool is here, new beginning, they want new beginning with you. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.